How to fix Samsung emergency calls only problem. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this issue. So if you have been getting the problem where you can only make emergency calls and cannot make other normal calls, there might be a few reasons. So the first one you have to do is go ahead and turn on flight mode. And once you turn this one on, just keep it on for a few minutes and then turn it off. Once you do that, it will reset your network settings. And then from here, all you have to do is find your settings menu. Go to settings, scroll down until you find connection settings. Then scroll down again until you find the option called mobile networks. From here, select your primary SIM and then tap on it. Make sure to select it to the lowest level. And once you do that, wait for a bit and then make sure to turn this one on to the highest level now. Now you can try to turn off and turn on the VoLTE calls. Once you have done that, just go back and then scroll down until you find apps. Now on your app settings, you're going to have to search for SIM Toolkit. So tap on SIM Tool and then from here go to Storage and then click on Clear Data and then select Delete. Now once all of your data has been deleted, just go back again. Now this time all you have to do is reset your mobile network settings. You can do that by scrolling down and then go to General Management. Scroll down until you find Reset and then reset all of your mobile network settings. Tap on Reset Settings, choose both of your SIM cards, tap on Reset and then enter your PIN to confirm it. Once all of that is done, just go back and give your device a quick restart and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, be sure to like down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.